We just did that in like 30 seconds. I mean, it's incredible. It's just, as a content creator, you start to question what you're doing with your time. Ever since these AI tools have been coming on the market, I've been starting to question my career as a content creator because they're just getting better and better at creating content. And now this one I'm going to show you today has me questioning it even more, especially if I were to focus on faceless YouTube channels where I just have like informational channels about business or travel or lifestyle where my face isn't on the screen. This platform can do all the work for you. This is Invideo AI. You've probably heard of AI already. They have an online platform where you can make videos and it works okay for automating things, but it's not that good. Like when I make a script for anything, it'll use AI to make the script now. That's great. And then it's going to try to choose stock videos for that script. This ends up choosing unrelated videos for the stock footage. This app, the new AI Invideo, does way better. Click on Create Video to check this out. So here we just give it a topic. Before we do that though, we want to select a workflow. You don't have to, but it kind of guides you more along the way if you do. You have YouTube Shorts, YouTube Explainers, and recent events videos. I'm going to choose YouTube Shorts. For the video details, I'm just going to say a video detailing the 3 most important skills an entrepreneur needs. You should be able to put that together in under 1 minute, which is what we need for YouTube Short. For the settings, this is for the voice settings. I'm going to choose a man and I'm going to make him British, a husky old British voice because I think maybe they sound more wise. Subtitles, I'm going to have them on just to see what that looks like because subtitles in shorts are very, very common. We'll see how these ones appear. Click on Continue. Now click on Generate Video. Down here, there's some other options to watch tutorials and things. Just ignore that. Just work up at the top here. Click on Generate Video when you're ready. It's analyzing what we entered. It's going to show us the process it goes through right on the screen. Now it's thinking. Here's the title, Entrepreneur's Trinity, Top 3 Skills Unveiled. That's pretty good for a title. I'm just going to fast forward to the rest of it so you can see what it's doing on the screen, but you don't need me commenting on all of it because it's pretty straightforward. Oh, it's done already. Never mind. No fast forward there. For our audience, we want to choose entrepreneurs, business students, or startup owners. Probably, I don't know, it kind of works for all of them. Let's choose entrepreneurs. Look and feel, professional. I'm going to choose crisp. I'm going to choose crisp. Platform, YouTube Shorts. You can change it to LinkedIn or Facebook. Click on Continue when you're ready. I find this great. It's got like an old projector feel on the screen here. It's got this little fish down here at the bottom as the projector, which is pretty neat. The fish is also the Invideo logo, you may recall. As entertaining as my commenting is, you probably don't need to hear me droning on and on about this. So I'm just going to fast forward so you can see what's happening without me talking. And if you're finding this tutorial helpful, click the like button because that helps this video show up for more people on YouTube so we can spread the knowledge and help more people with this information. So make sure to click like if you like this video. So it's done already. Based on percentages, it seemed like it was going to take a lot longer. I'm just going to click on play. We'll watch the whole thing through. It's only 54 seconds. I want to see what it did for the whole thing to see how good it is. It might be awesome. Let's check it out.
Welcome to A Minute of Wisdom. Today, we explore the 3 cardinal skills every...
Going to pause it right there. You see how it shows at the very beginning? I can't get back there. I can't move the timeline scrubber. There we go. How it shows, hold on. Welcome to A Minute of Wisdom. That sounds great. And that was just the AI. Of course, it comes up with some witty things sometimes. This is the AI choosing that as the title for this short series, which is great. Let's carry on.
Today, we explore the 3 cardinal skills every entrepreneur needs to thrive. First up, adaptability.
Listen to how wise he sounds. He sounds like Attenborough doing a wildlife documentary.
In a world of constant change, the ability to pivot and adapt is invaluable. Being steadfast is good, but flexibility can be the difference between success and failure. Second, resilience. The journey of entrepreneurship is fraught with challenges. It's those who can weather the storm, bounce
Add some music that's coming in now. You can hear it slightly in the background.
back from failures and keep pushing forward who truly succeed. Lastly, vision. Entrepreneurs must see the unseen, carve paths where none exist, and inspire others to follow their lead. Great leaders are visionaries, able to see potential where others see impossibility. Remember, adaptability, resilience, and vision. Master these and you're well on your way to entrepreneurial success. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing.
That was a great ending. Till next time, keep learning, keep growing. And we just did that in like 30 seconds. I mean, it's incredible. It's just, as a content creator, you start to question what you're doing with your time. Obviously, everybody's going to hop on this and be like, I'm going to make YouTube shorts on here. But it's like, what's the end game? Like, where is it going? Like, that's not the purpose of this video. The philosophical end of it is not the purpose of the video. But I think about that a lot. Like, it makes it so easy that anybody can do it now, which is great. It's democratizing video creation, of video of this sort anyway. But the people who've spent their time building a business based on this, and they've got the skills, and there is a moat there that let them build their business without too much competition because it took some skills. Now it takes no skills anymore. This takes you pulling out your credit card, and I think the cheapest plan if you go monthly is $25 a month, and you get 50 minutes of video creation every month for $25 a month. And you can just pound these things out. You can pound them out. Okay, anyway, so we can leave feedback. 2 thumbs up. I'm going to give this one 2 thumbs up because it's awesome. It is awesome. Mind-blowing. By the way, if you want to check this out, there's a link in the description down below. It is an affiliate link, so if you do end up purchasing through that link, I get a credit for that from Invideo. It doesn't make it more expensive for you. It just helps me keep making these videos for you and keeping you up to date with the latest in AI tech. So what can we do with this video? Now that we've watched it, it's pretty slick. What if there's something we have to change? We can click on edit and we can go in here. We can give it conversational directions on what to change. Some examples it gives here: delete the second thing, it's not really relevant. Make the scene half as long, it's too wordy. Change current stock to a video of a drone shot in the forest. You can just give it or tell it what you want. So we could say things even a little more drastic, something like change the voice to a young American female. Let's spell these correctly, holy cow. There we go, generate. This one takes a little bit longer than if you're just going to replace a video in the or one of the scenes, but it's going to now make an American female voice. Hopefully, at least that's the idea. Let's have a little listen, see if it changed the voice.
Welcome to a Minute of Wisdom. Today
it did, and that's definitely a young American accent female. We just told it to do that. It's that simple. Change the first video to a woman, a businesswoman walking into a skyscraper. That's very specific. And this just pulls it from stock video. It's not creating this video using AI or anything. It's trying to find stock video that's going to fit what I just described. Let's see if it understood. While it's doing that, quick comment on stock video. You see up here, you get a license for the stock. It's gone. So all the stock video, like this one right here, is iStock, and a lot of them are iStock. When you have a subscription, you get a license to these stock videos as well. So you don't have to pay extra when you go to download. And the first scene hasn't really changed.
Welcome to a
It
Minute
did.
of Wisdom.
Look,
Today we explore the three
she's out of frame, but there she is. She was walking beside a skyscraper, not into one, but like I said, it's stock video. So it understood what I wanted, and it got something pretty darn close to what I wanted. I don't think it replaced all the videos. It did. It put a whole bunch just ladies walking in and out of buildings, and that's okay. You could also have instructions here, all these words that are kind of not fully on the screen. You could tell it to switch those out. Let's try this. Change the current scene to a business meeting. So I want to see if it knows that I was on that current scene. We're going to scrub back forward to that specific spot to see if it replaces that text in the video right there. If it does, that'll be just crazy. This is kind of like if you had a video editor sitting beside you and you're going through the video and you're like, hey, video editor, could you change this to that and do this over here and do this over here? You're doing the exact same thing. The next step would be you just give voice commands and your computer types out the text into the text box and you're just talking. That, of course, is doable. Okay, let's see. Where are these words? There's those ones. That's not the scene we replaced. It's the one after this. This is it, the business meeting. That's a very, very interesting business meeting. I thought there'd be a lot of stock video for business meetings. More words. Anyway, I go through and edit those words out because that's kind of boring. So, point is, you can conversationally edit the video. You can tell it what to edit. You can also do it manually. Click on Edit Media. It has all the media up here. So if you wanted to replace these words, right here, and we search for, let's find an actual business meeting. There must be one somewhere. We have a business meeting here. Let's use this one, replace. And it overlays it on top. So you can always go back to the one you had before if you don't like this one. But that is how you replace part of the video. You can also upload your own. You can use stock or all, and it's being kind of glitchy right now. Click on apply. This is brand new. A lot of these features are just released, like within the past week or two. And a lot of it's still in beta and still experimental. There actually is an experimental setting that we'll check out in just a minute. But point is, we just replaced that video of the words with those two ladies sitting there. Did we? There they are. It's not the perfect video for shorts, but it'll do. You can also edit the script. This allows you to change the text. There's two things you can do here. You can change the actual words that are written, which you probably wouldn't want to do because the voiceover is based on these. I think it'll update the voiceover. Let's try this. Good day to everyone around this table. I don't recall that being in the script. Anyway, let's just change this to hello to everyone. And we'll see if it's regenerating the script when we exit this. You can also, if you click here, this is an overlay on the screen. Especially, this is less so for the shorts because all the text is on the screen, but for the longer video types, the YouTube explainer and the recent event videos, this section here is, you can choose to be the title, lower third, title plate, text overlay. But you can, whatever you write in here is going to be on the screen. For the shorts, like I said, everything's on the screen, but for longer videos, it's usually not. And hello is not spelled right. Okay, there we go. Let's apply changes, changing the script, synthesizing voice. So it is redoing the voiceover. And here it says good day to everyone. I wonder if it changed the entire script at some point because it used to be welcome to a minute of wisdom. It also used to be 54 seconds. Now it's 1 minute. So I think maybe when we changed it to the American voiced female, oh no, she at the beginning she said minute of wisdom. Not sure what happened, but I think the script changed somewhere along the way. All right, so now we have it changed to hello to everyone, and I think it'll say that in the text as well, or the voiceover.
Hello to everyone around this.
Yeah, so whatever you change for the script, it's going to change it on screen, and it's going to change it in the script as well, or sorry, the voiceover. And if you want to regenerate the entire thing, click on back to go out of here, and you think this whole thing is trash, or it could be better, or I want a second version, what have you, click on regenerate. And then you choose your options here again. If you use the same options, it should still make a brand new video. But I'm going to choose something totally different. Startup owners, professional, keep it on YouTube Shorts, continue. And that's going to create a version 2. And you're going to have your version 1 still sitting here, and version 2 is going to pop in right there. I'll just fast forward through this part. Okay, let's have a listen to this one.
Cold hard truth time, folks. Being an entrepreneur isn't for the faint of heart. It requires a certain set of skills, the top 3 of which we're about to delve into. First up, resilience. Failure is part and parcel of the game.
That's great. Now we have 2 videos where we previously had 1. I don't know if you know this, but people forget what they watch. So you could have this video, Entrepreneur's Trinity, top 3 skills unveiled. You could publish the first version today, and then publish the second version, schedule it to go out 3 months from now. And the people who watched the first version today, they're not going to remember they watched it 3 months from now, and they'll think it's a brand new video. I do it too. Everybody does, unless they're super focused on what they're watching, which isn't always the case. I've rewatched old videos before, and halfway through I'm like, I think I've seen this before. But because this is entrepreneurship and people want to improve, like there's a lot of self-improvement going on in business, people always want to improve and get better, they'll probably watch the whole thing again. And even if they notice, they're not going to care because it is a brand new video. It might have the same foundation, the same backbone, but it's a different script. It's a different stock video, and we did it in a few clicks. It's just bonkers. It's bonkers. To export, click on export video. That's when you start using up your credits. So you have, up until now, we haven't used any of our monthly minutes. When you download, that's when the monthly minutes are counted. If you have the free account, or I think you can do 10 minutes of video, you have a watermark on the video. And I think the stock keeps this watermark as well, the iStock right here. If you want to remove all the watermarks, you got to go for a subscription. Over here under settings, if we go to here, beta features, Get early access to experimental new features that may change during development. Turn that on if you want to be on the cutting edge. See if we can get back to our video. There we are. Now if we go to export, we can export the project to timeline. The Invideo before, the browser-based one, the old one, has a large focus on a video timeline like this, where you can move things around just like a regular video editor, but way easier. It's way easier than Premiere or anything like that. And you can replace the videos, change the voiceovers, add music, and all these brand watermarks. You can take all those off, although you might not be able to take them off in the free version. But anyway, there's a timeline that you can edit on. And these features keep changing. So this timeline looks how it is now, but it's in beta. So it might change its appearance completely, or it might stay like this. And they keep adding more and more features to make your experience with their program even better. But if you want to check out this app, click the link in the description down below. It is an affiliate link. If you end up purchasing through that link, I do get a credit. It does not make it more expensive for you, but allows me to keep making these videos for free. And this app is going to blow your mind. It's going to blow your mind. So check it out. Next up, check out this playlist right here. It's all about ChatGTP and helping you get better on your AI journey. Make sure to click subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. My name is Bjorn from the AI Underground. Till next time, keep crushing it, and I will see you in the next video.